Looking out at all of those young men and women, I was reminded of the extraordinary service that they are rendering to our country. What makes Judge Sotomayor so extraordinary? Even as she is meeting these extraordinary challenges will require an extraordinary effort on the part of every American. Their legacy will be an America that is safer and stronger, an America that reflects the extraordinary character of the men and women who serve it.
Grateful for this extraordinary experience. Not far from here in the Blue Room is the official...
Last weekend, on the 4th of July, Michelle and I welcomed some of our extraordinary military men and women and their families to the White House. Work, and our country is stronger when we tap their extraordinary talents. New care, new opportunity. It's like their predecessors. They do extraordinary things in service to their country. Earlier this week, I spoke about our way forward in Afghanistan. And I said that because of the extraordinary work of our men and women in uniform, civilians, and our coalition partners, we will soon begin bringing our troops home, just as we've begun doing in Iraq. An ordinarily rare opportunity to move forward in a way that makes sure our government lives within its means, that puts our economy on a sounder footing for the future, and that still invests in the things we need to prosper in the years to come. And I'm hopeful that we will rise to the moment. And we're giving thanks to all who serve on our behalf, especially our troops and military families, our extraordinary 9/11 generation. Thanks to the extraordinary sacrifices of our men and women in uniform, the Iraqi people have the chance to forge their own future. This is an extraordinary achievement, one made possible by the hard work and sacrifice of the men and women who had the courage to serve. I thank them for their extraordinary service, not only because it's dangerous, but because it saps everyone's faith in our extraordinary system of self-government, and that hurts us all. Whether it's the work of creating jobs, growing the economy, or our extraordinary men and women in uniform are serving so that the rest of us can enjoy the blessings we cherish during the holidays. But this is a priority for me, not only as President and Commander-in-Chief, but as a husband and a father of 2 extraordinary girls. And in my address to the UN, I challenge the world, especially Muslim communities, to reject the ideology of violent extremism and to do more to tap the extraordinary potential of their young people. But last year, Sergeant Gibson wrote to tell me that with the help of our extraordinary doctors and nurses, he's making extraordinary progress. As I said in my State of the Union address, we live in a time of extraordinary change, change that's affecting the way we live and the way we work.